Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A man's final request. Full story. There was a man who visited Kingston but had his farm in St. Thomas, Jamaica. He spent his life and effort tilling the soil and harvesting. He was very proud of himself. He got diagnosed with heart problems and his life changed. Not knowing how long he had left, he told his brother that if anything ever happens to him and he kicks the bucket, he wants the funeral service to drive through his farm. The brother thought that was an odd request but comforted him with a yes. That faithful day came not long after. He succumbed to heart failure and passed away. As they prepared for his funeral, his brother remembered his request and included it into the planning. On the day of the funeral, everyone was running late. One of the drivers decided that they could make up for the time lost by not going to the farm and instead going straight to the burial. As soon as they started to consider it, their cars and the vehicle carrying the casket stopped and wouldn't move. They spent a long time trying to get the cars to start, but they just wouldn't budge. The brother came to a realization and told everyone that they will actually be driving through the farm as planned. As soon as those words were uttered, the car started back up. The funeral drove through the farm as if nothing happened earlier, and the man was laid to rest soon after.
Like and follow for more.